She's stuck with abdominal. Look at this region.
Thoracic.
Thoracic aorta.
This is thoracic. You're okay?
Thoracic
I'm
aorta.
okay, thank you.
Okay, now thoracic aorta enters the abdominal region.
Oh, okay.
And then it is called abdominal aorta. And let's see what all branches. Now these will be kind of hidden, you see. You'll see a lot of white stuff here, okay? So, can you hold on to that part? Okay. So here are the kidneys. Can you see when you clean up this part, you will see a lot of nerves sticking on it, okay? So you need to clean up, and there are two blood vessels which are very prominent, and this is the celiac artery, celiac, okay, trunk or celiac artery. Your lab manual says artery, otherwise it's celiac trunk, and this is the superior mesenteric artery, which will go to the mesentery, okay.
Celiac, how do you spell celiac? C-I-L-I-C?
C-E-L-I-A-C, celiac.
Celiac means stomach?
Uh-huh.
Celiac.
Celiac artery and mesenteric artery and superior mesenteric artery. Clear about it? Now here is the adrenal gland. Which cat showed good adrenal gland? I think Stephanie, your cat shows, yeah, a very good adrenal gland. It looks very. And I think Andrew's cat also is showing very good adrenal gland, which you can differentiate. Here it is all becoming dark, right? Right on top of it, can you see some vein is going? And below this also another artery is going, and it goes to the lumbar region, which is called adrenolumbar artery and the vein. Can you see these two things? If I put a pin here, it's coming from the adrenal, and if I put a pin here, you can say adrenolumbar artery slash vein. So A slash V. For artery you can put A, for veins you can put V. Okay, simple, yeah. Okay, then we have got renal artery and renal vein. So this will be the renal vein and this will be the renal artery. So remember, veins are superficial, arteries are deep. Okay, yes. Then we will be going further here, and here I want to show you, this is the inferior vena cava. Yeah, and you will see kind of the abdominal aorta is hidden, right? Let's see where it is. Here, can you see abdominal aorta now? So it needs a little bit more cleaning, but they were scared not to break up because this is testicular artery, gonadal artery, and then, okay, and this is the nerve, and this is the vein actually. Can you see blue? This blue here and getting colorless here, and so what else we have to see? Renal artery and vein we have seen. Then inferior mesenteric artery. Can you see this single artery going to the inferior part of the colon? So this is inferior mesenteric artery. Okay, this is the inferior mesenteric artery. And now then we come to the iliolumbar. This will be also iliolumbar artery and vein, both of them. Okay, after giving iliolumbar artery and vein artery, basically abdominal aorta gives two branches which are called external iliacs, and then it continues and gives two more branches, internal iliacs, and then in the end it goes to the tail, which is called sacral artery, middle sacral artery. So this part I told them to clean up, but they could not. But Andrew's cat, Andrew has cleaned up very well. So this part you guys can see in his, basically it's cleaning up, you see. And then because they were working on the reproductive system, they didn't do, and you can see in that. Okay, now arteries and veins are going side by side. That is how you will see external iliac artery, external iliac vein in this one. Okay, now anybody has the list, and tell me if we are left with something which is not covered so far.
Kidneys, ureters, that's the urinary system. We're doing reproductive, right?
We finished ureter.
Like hormonal.
Claudia is lost.
I think that's everything.
Everything covered? Yeah, that's what I think. Okay. Now that group is, you see.